Can you find the area of this pink shaded region? We have given a blue shaded rectangle and 4 rectangles arranged around it like this. This rectangle has an area of 20 square units and a base of 3 units. This rectangle has an area of 30 square units and a height of 4 units. Similarly, area of this rectangle is 40 square units and a base of 6 units. And our goal is to find the area of the pink shaded rectangle. You can pause the video and take a moment to think about it, and when you are ready, you can come back to verify your answer. Alright, let us solve it together. Before we begin, let us first define the height of this pink rectangle as x units and the base as y units. We know that the area of a rectangle is calculated by multiplying its height by its base. So the area of this pink rectangle will be equal to x times y, right? Now we are told that the area of this rectangle is 20 square units and its base is 3 units. That means the height of this rectangle will be equal to 20 over 3 units. So this height here is 20 over 3, correct? Similarly, we are told that the area of this rectangle is 30 square units and its height is 4 units. That means the base of this rectangle will be equal to 30 over 4 or 15 over 2. So this base here is 15 over 2. Again, we are given that the area of this rectangle is 40 square units and its base is 6 units. That means the height of this rectangle will be equal to 40 over 6 or 20 over 3. So this height here is 20 over 3, correct? Now we have all the required side lengths of the rectangles to find the length of x and y. Now look carefully. This top base of the rectangle will be equal to this bottom base, right? That means we have y plus 6 equals 3 plus 15 over 2. Subtracting 6 from both sides, we have y equal to 3 plus 15 over 2 minus 6, or 15 over 2 minus 3. And simplifying this, we get y equal to 9 over 2. Similarly, this height will be equal to this height, right? That means we have the equation x plus 20 over 3 equals 4 plus 20 over 3. Canceling 20 over 3 from both sides, we have x equal to 4. So substituting x equal to 4 and y equal to 9 over 2 in our area formula, we have the area of this pink shaded rectangle is equal to 4 times 9 over 2, which simplifies to 2 times 9, or 18 square units. And that is our final answer. Pretty neat, right? But wait, before you go, here is a bonus challenge. Can you find the area of this pink shaded rectangle in terms of variables instead of a specific number? Think it through and share your answer in the comments below. Let us see who can figure it out. If you enjoyed this explanation and learned something new, do not forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun, brain-teasing math questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.